everybody. Today I'm doing a video outside because it's such a gorgeous day. The sun is shining so bright. And today I'm able doing a Diet Coke and Mentos experiment. I know I did this before, but that was on my old channel. It was at my aunt's backyard. The quality wasn't good, and yeah, I didn't really like it. So this is actually the best version. So you guys ready? Let's get to it. Okay, so I have a oops. Yeah, it's piercing. Oh. Okay, and I got the mentos. Let's check this out. Whoa! Whoa! I'm trying to. Whoa! That is awesome. Thumbs up for that for sure. As you can see, it's still fizzing like crazy. That experiment was a success. I thought it didn't go as high as I thought, but that's okay. Well, I hope you guys really enjoyed that awesome experiment of mine. Yeah, that was amazing. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe, leave a comment. See you all next time. Have a nice day outside, and peace out. Play, take pretty reunion with the Mentos.